gadgets you need. This device is actually a wireless label printer that hooks up to your phone. Once you download the app, you can create all different types of labels. There are tons of templates to choose from and a million different ways you can design your stickers. When you're ready, you press the print button on your phone and it prints out instantly. Amazon Office Must-Haves Part 3. First up is this footrest you can put underneath your desk. It's really comfortable and gives amazing support for when you're sitting at your desk for long periods of time. If you're working from home from your sofa or bed, you need this lap desk. It's cushioned on the bottom so it's comfortable on your lap. There's a spot for your laptop and phone, and it even has a mouse pad for a wireless mouse. Last up is a light therapy lamp. It's especially great for the wintertime or if you live someplace where you don't get a lot of natural sunlight. It's known to help boost your mood and energy levels. Amazon gadgets you need. This touchscreen toaster is basically from the future. It has different settings for all the things you may want to toast, like waffles, English muffins, bagels, and even Pop-Tarts. You can choose whether the item is fresh or frozen, and there's a scale of 1 to 7 of how toasted you want it. It even gives you a picture example. The screen has a countdown of when it's ready. It cooks exactly the way you want it every single time. Random gadgets you need. This phone case actually has a built-in charger. You put your phone inside like you would an ordinary case and it connects at the bottom. To start charging, just hold down the button on the back. They come in a bunch of colors and prints, and they even have matching ring holders to add to the back. Stocking stuffer is under $10. This adorable hand sanitizer holder, this crystal nail file, bath bombs and fun designs, this mini UV nail lamp. You just press down with your finger and it turns on. This cute bar of soap, hand cream in the prettiest box, this razor, Sherpa scrunchies, this back scrubber and massager for the shower, and a foundation brush. My favorite Amazon products that are on sale during Prime Day. This organizer for my tote bag, this wireless keyboard with a built-in stand that you can use for your computer, tablet, or cell phone, this travel makeup case, the best hair dryer ever, this bamboo cutting board with built-in containers. As you're chopping, you can slide the veggies right in. This stand to elevate your laptop. And lastly, this travel pillow blanket. You can use it as a pillow or unzip it to find a full-size blanket. Amazon gadgets you need. This computer stand is a must-have. It folds down for easy storage. It has a hidden pull-out stand for your phone or tablet, and a hidden drawer for pens and things. This computer port for my MacBook has been a lifesaver. Plug it directly into your computer, and you can put memory cards and anything with an HDMI, USB, or Lightning right into it. My favorite Amazon products that are on sale during Black Friday. First up is this automatic foaming hand soap dispenser. Next up is this magnetic foam mount for your car that actually stays put. This portable steamer for your clothes to easily get out wrinkles. This pink duffel bag is really spacious inside and even has a separate spot for shoes. Can coolers to keep your drinks really cold. And lastly, this portable charger that plugs directly into your phone.